You can do it. Hello my friends, again another video. This time I'm in this Fiat 500. That's a 2013. I replaced the battery last night because my daughter drove it to work, and when it was time for her to come back home and the car would not start, and the battery the key was locked in the ignition. So we tested it. The battery was completely dead. So I couldn't recharge it. It would not hold charge. So I had to go buy another battery for $155. So this morning she said she started it, and the battery light came on. So now I'm suspecting it's the alternator that is bad, and so the car looks like the car's been driving on the battery only. So let me start it to see if the all the lights are on, the battery light. No battery light earlier. Yeah, she said the battery light was on, but it's not on now. But what I will do is I will do a test, the alternator test. So this is what we have on so far. So what we're doing here, I already know the battery is fully charged because it's a brand new battery I bought last night. But I will show you to check the voltage. It should be at least 12.6 something. So red, and this. See now it's yeah, 1282. So what I'm going to do, I will start the car, and the alternator is it's somewhere. Yeah, the alternator is somewhere down here, hidden. Yeah, and yeah, I don't think that's the alternator here. But anyway, so what I'll do is I will turn the car on. I will turn the car on and then check the battery again. So it should be a 1314. Okay, the voltage. Okay, the voltage should be 1314. That means that the alternator is recharging the battery. If it doesn't do that, then the car is only driving on the battery, and thus will kill it very soon. If I Okay. All right, so now the car is running. So let's see. Red and here. Okay, so it's 1420. 1420. So the alternator is good. It is charging the battery. And yeah, you see the battery, yeah. So what I think happened is my daughter normally drive this car to go to work. I mean, sorry, school. So school's been out, so she rarely drives it. I think what happened is the car's been sitting here for 2 weeks, 3 weeks at a time, and as a result, the battery pretty much depleted, and that was the issue. So let's try again. Okay, you see, the alternator is charging, so the alternator is fine. It's fine. So what I'm going to do, okay, so the best way to do this now is to wait and keep on checking it, and I will disconnect the battery, at least one, the neutral one. Okay, the negative. I will disconnect it, and and only connect it when she's going somewhere, when she wants to drive the car. And that's the best way to protect this battery. And we were somewhere, folks. So if I was able to leave the car where she was and then take the battery, bring it home and recharge it for 2 or 3 days, yeah, because we couldn't get even a jump start because the battery was so bad, so depleted. And when I took it to the O'Reilly, and the guy couldn't even get a reading, yeah, because the battery was so dead. So again, it's a good check. You see, and I saved some money either way because the battery was 155 because I couldn't get one at Walmart, and the alternator would be over $100. So right now I saved the alternator money. Okay, thanks for watching. Woo-hoo.